back to my channel. In this video I will be talking about this hair that I got from Amazon. So this is a Amazon vendor. I'll leave all the information in the description box, and this is formal hair, and I believe it's a headband wig, and in my box came 2 headbands. These are pretty cute. Let's check out the headbands. These are very cute. I like them. Very cute. Very cute. I like this one as well. How cute are these? Cute. I like these. So I got those 2 headbands in there. Excited about trying this wig. And then this is the wig. It's a 3-part average size headband, and it's a 16-inch natural kinky straight wig. So it's a headband wig. So that's that, and it came with the headband on here. Oh wow, this is nice. So you can put the headbands that comes with the package over. So the headband is secure, the wig on the head, and then this is the wig. I will be definitely straightening this out. It's very soft and nice. It is human hair, it stays on the package. It's very soft and nice, and I love that. So the headband is actually sewed on to the wig. I do like that. So very cute, very nice. I do like it. Very cute, and it feels great. And it's a kinky, wow, it feels great. And I love the texture. I really love the texture. And it's a 16-inch. We'll see what happens in the next clip with this. I went ahead and I got the wig straightened a little bit, you know, tamed and groomed a little bit. And what I wanted to do is to do a try on and show you guys what it's looking like now. So again, it's a headband wig. So this is the band. It came with this band, and then they sent you additional bands in the box. So if you don't want to wear the black band, you have the headbands to wear with it. And just want to show you that inside here, the headband actually has a thing right here, and you lock it right here on. So that is what holds the band on. And you also have the additional bands right here that normally comes on the wig to clip that around your head as well. So you do have stuff to secure it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip my hair back and then try this on and show you guys what it's looking like. And like I also stated that they did send me 2 headbands. There is a bit of gray in here. I think I want to go with this one. So it's looking a little puffy because remember, I do have hair on my head and it's not properly groomed down. So it's going to be looking a little puffy. But for the most part, it's okay. It's not that puffy. So if you were to get this wig, it would not be the same for you. So I'm going to go ahead and put this headband on. Pretty cute, you guys. So this one is a little bit on the thicker side than the other one. I don't even know if this one goes on like this. And of course, you have the option to fit it how you want to fit it. And of course, you play with it how you want to play with it. So as of right now, I'm just trying to see how best this goes on. So pretty much I just wanted to show you guys what that is looking like. And again, you have the option to style it how you want it, but I just wanted to just do a quick fit so you guys can see. I mean, I could fix this way better, but for right now, I'm just gonna leave it at that. So I just wanted you guys to see what it's looking like. It's pretty nice. I like it. The texture is very soft and nice. Very, very soft and nice. I do like the texture. And I can see me, you know, throwing this on when I'm on a bad hair day. So this would definitely come in handy. And to be honest, it's light. It's lightweight and it's flexible. I like it. You can play with it. I do like it. It's pretty cute. So I'll leave the information in the description box for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you want to check out a headband wigs. I realize that a lot of persons are wearing them these days. They seem to be a thing. Yeah, and I have an extra headband here. This one is pretty cute and easy to manage. It's already like this. This one is more simpler and easier to manage. So yes, but I like that. I like that this is also thick, so I could have stretched it out more over the hair if I wanted to, something like that or whatever. I really just did a bad job with this just now, but I didn't want to do too much with it, so hence why I'm leaving it like this. But yeah, it's, as you can see, it's very flexible and you can play with it. So yeah, I will definitely play with it some more and see what it's like. But again, because I do have hair on the hair, it's a little bit, you know, puffy, so I'm not gonna do much. But anyhow, you guys, I'll leave the deets in the description. Check it out if you want. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.